Get your green shirts, get your super cute Christmas holiday earrings, grab your headbands, grab your shopping spirit, and grab your wrapping skills because we are about to go into some stores to find the biggest bows ever because go figure, your girl loves bows. She loves big bows and she cannot lie. I want to find some really big sparkly bows and some super cute wrapping paper. So join me as I go find these in the store and then show you how to wrap.
Just found the aisle and turned the corner and look at these sparkly bows. These are everything. I can't even contain myself. This is exactly what I was looking for. So they have these fluffy bows here. They have these flowy bows with all the different sparkles. We have lots of super cute wrapping paper. So we have polka dots, which I think I actually have to have. They have these brown and shiny red reindeer, which I think I actually have to have. They have these candy canes. I've never seen this. I think I might actually have to have this. This is not good. Send help. Also over here, they've got all of these sparkly tissue paper. These are super cute. And then they have all of these super cute bags. Naughty, nice. Like, look at these. It looks like a snow globe with glitter. They have sparkly bags that have tags. They also have these super cute boxes. If you need to put your gifts in a box, these are actually like reusable. They're hard, they're sturdy, and they're sparkly. Christmas cards are also on point. Side note, does anyone ever do this anymore? I don't send Christmas cards. These are really cute though. I used to do them with my kids' pictures on them, but now we just like put stuff on social media. Merry Christmas! We have tons of ribbon. Look at these sparkles. Look at these buffalo pad. Look at the different colors we have. We have all the different sizes. We have thin, we have thick. We can make all the bows that we dream of. If you guys are looking for tags for your gifts, like super cute. Look at these ones. They're like felt, but can you write on them? I wonder if you can write on those. More super cute gift bags over here, and then they even have wine bags. I'm completely getting distracted in Home Goods, but I'm shocked they still have all this super cute Christmas stuff. They still have tons of gift packages, ideas. I swear, I think they just got a new shipment of all this stuff because I was just in here the other day and they did not have all these goodies. They still have all your sweet treats for your sweets. Come get it.
So we totally hit the jackpot at Home Goods. They had so much left. They had big bows, sparkly bows, and lots of wrapping paper. So I'm gonna show you everything that we found and then we're gonna get to wrapping. So look at these super cute bows we found. I was looking for gold sparkly bows. I love these ribbon ones. So these are super cute. We have pom-pom ones. We've got these in gold. We found them in red. I'm dropping all of them. We found these other gold and red pom-pom ones here, and then we also found them in silver. So we found the big bows. Those are so exciting. We got some red and white and green sparkling tissue paper, and then we found tons of ribbon. So we have the buffalo plaid ribbon to match some of the wrapping paper. We have burlap and red ribbon. We've got some gold shiny sparkly ribbon because we have to for some of the wrapping paper that we have. And then we found these really cute tags. They had a bunch of different tags on there that I liked, but some of them were like a felt material. I didn't know if we could write on those. And these kind of match all the paper that we got. And then we have a couple of unicorn gifts. So look at these little boxes we got to put the little girl's unicorn gifts in. So these are so cute with the pink pom-pom on top. And then paper, let's talk paper. So Home Goods had all of the best wrapping paper. This one is my all-time favorite. This has all the buffalo plaid with Christmas trees and it has a gold outline, and these were only all $2.99, so they're a really good price. So this one's my favorite. This one's gonna look so cute with any of the color bows that we got. I think I might put the gold, let's see, the gold sparkly one with these ones, or I might make a buffalo plaid bow for this one. I don't know, there's too many options for that one. And then we also have some Merry Peace Christmas Joy. This one's classic. I love the writing on this one. Oh, I was gonna say it reminded me of Rae Dunn. It is, it's Rae Dunn wrapping paper. So I love this one. It's just super clean and classic and fun. This one's my second favorite. We have gold snowflakes here. We're totally gonna do a gold bow for this one. This one I thought was really unique. I've never seen candy cane wrapping paper before, so we can totally tie in the red bows for the, oh my gosh, this one looks so cute. The red bows for this one, for this wrapping paper. And then this is kind of a buffalo plaid with gold. So how cute is this gonna look with our gold bows? And then we've got the gold and red shining reindeer. It's kind of like a metallic here. And again, these are still only all $3.99, so these are really super cute. Red polka dots, you can't go wrong. I think I might tie in some green with this one to make it pop. And then we've got some kid gifts to wrap. So these ones are a little bit more fun for the kids. We've got character reindeer here, and again, any color bow we can make with these. Sugar cookies. Who doesn't love frosted sugar cookies for Christmas? So this one's super cute, and it has all the different colors in there. We can make fun big bows with this one. And then we've got kitty cats that are wearing the super cute little Christmas sweaters. So we are gonna get to wrapping. So grab your gifts, wrap along with us, and put your Christmas carols on. So a couple little tips before you get started. If you are storing and need to give little gifts for kids, like these are little Shopkins that they needed for gifts this year. We found these plastic containers, so they look super cute when they're packaged and they don't even need to be wrapped. So these are little Christmas trees. These we found at home for $5.99. So you can store candy in here. You can store any little gifts that you're having a hard time finding what to put it in. And then we had also found these little boxes at Home Goods that have the little pom-poms in it. So we have these little unicorn gifts that are gonna go right in here. And again, you don't have to wrap these. So if you find super cute boxes and bins, you can go without the wrapping paper. My favorite thing when wrapping gifts is when the scissor just glides on the paper. It's the little things. Let's see if it happens again. Like music to my ears. Decorate your boxes the same way. You want your papers to all blend together for the same person, and then the bows can stand out but still match, but not match. So I have all different kinds of bows. First we used the pre-made ones because I like those the best because I'm not crafty. So these are super cute. They kind of match the wrapping paper. So we did red on this one. This one I'm really proud of. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute how I did this one. I am not crafty. I like simple directions, and I was able to do this bow that is super cute, and it was super easy. So if I can do it, you guys can definitely pull off this bow. It looks really cute at the back. And then look at this bow at the front. You can make this big, small, you can do whatever you'd like with these kinds of bows here. And then I also made this one. So this one's got a little bit of gold accent on here. So I tied in the gold bow to match the wrapping paper, and these all kind of blend together, but they're still a little different. This one is my favorite pre-bought one we got. It's the squiggly gold bow, and see how they're just different, but they still match, so they all tie together. And then this one, we just had some extra ribbon here, so I tied in the buffalo plaid that matches all of the other ones with just a simple bow, so when we add the tag, we can add that right in the middle there. I had some burlap bows or yarn that was left over, so we just have a simple burlap bow here. We had some random red ribbon left over, so this one's super cute to tie in the red with the reindeer. And then we have our other pre-shaped little poofy bow here. So these all blend together, they're super cute, and they were easy and fast. So I'm gonna show you an easy, simple way to make Christmas bows. Again, I'm not crafty. I'm sure you guys can find a much fancier way to do this, but I like simple. So I tied in this buffalo checkered plaid print with this here because it's got these in the wrapping paper in the tree. So you're gonna wanna put your gift to where the front is facing down, so where all of your folding and your tape is gonna be facing up. You're gonna make sure your ribbon here is flat. You're gonna put it under the gift, and then you're gonna make this even. And then we're just gonna tie it. And you're actually not gonna tie it, you're just gonna pull it so it kind of crisscrosses. And then you're gonna flip your gift over, and then that's where your bow part is gonna come in. So you wanna make sure you kind of make it pretty so it's even. And then here we're just gonna tie a regular bow. So it's gonna look like this on your front, and then it's gonna look crisscrossed here on the back. And then you wanna make sure you pull this one tight, and then however big you want your bow, your loops to be, make sure you do that in this step. I'm gonna do mine a little smaller since the box is smaller. So then you're gonna make sure your loops are even here, and then you're gonna fluff them out. Make sure the front of the ribbon is facing out. And then you can either do one of two things. You can either leave them like this, and if it's wired, you can kind of make this like a ruffle, or you can do what I did, and I actually tucked them in. So I made these. So I have 4 loops, and then this is actually just gonna tuck right underneath your knot of your bow. And then you're gonna do the same thing for this one. So then you're gonna have 4 loops, or you can do the 2, but I love the 4 loops. And then you can kind of make sure they're all even. And then you have a super cute, easy bow, and you do not need any tape. It's crisscrossed in the back, and it's a perfect little bow on the front. I hope you guys had just as much fun as I did, and you got your wrapping paper and bows and got some Christmas wrapping done. If you would like more of Christmas everything and how to make your own bows, decorating your boxes, be sure to check me out on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a beat or a basket or a super cute gift box. See you guys next time. Before we wrap up today, I want to give a huge shout out to one of my sponsors, JL Video. If you guys don't know who they are yet, they are the best video production company out there. So I record all of my own videos. I go out into the stores, I do all of my wrapping, and I just send them tons of video clips, and they literally take all of those and they make video magic. If you guys need YouTube edits or anything video, you want to head to jlvideo.com and check out their work because they are the best of the best.